Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. In this video, I am going to discuss an LR problem from ALET 2019 actual question paper. Let's see what this problem is because these kind of questions have been frequently asked in ALET, and even this problem came with a set of 7 questions, making it very important to understand as to how to approach these kind of questions. Now, in this question, we were given there's a Shoppers Stop, which offers exactly 10 types of perfumes, which are Woods, Proposal, Rose, Niche, and Hydra. And in each type of perfumes, there are two variants or there are two varieties. One is the domestic, another is the export. And there are some restriction as to sale of these perfumes. So let's understand what are those restrictions, because these are the questions which can be classified as conditional based puzzles, and it's very important to understand what each condition is trying to say, what restrictions it is putting on you, and what limitations you have to keep in mind while solving the question. So let's see what is the first condition. The first condition is export rose is on sale, domestic proposal is not. Now this statement looks like a definite statement. So this tells me that whenever I'm listing the perfumes which are on sale, export rose has to be there. There is no second thoughts about that. And whereas whenever I'm listing perfumes which are on sale, domestic proposal can never be on that list. So that's what we need to understand from condition 1. Now for the remaining 4 conditions, there's something that we will be using here, or I'm sure you all are aware of, that if A then B, this also leads us to, or we can easily conclude from here that if not B then not A. As you can see, all the 4 remaining conditions are of the type if and then. So we will also note down the reverse of these conditions. So the second condition is if both types of rose are on sale, then all Hydra is. So this is like if A then B, and if I want to make if not B then not A, it should look like to me as if all Hydra is not on sale, then both roses are not on sale. The third condition, if both types of woods are on sale, then no niche is. So this can be understood in this way: if at least one niche is on sale, either type of woods is not on sale. Fourth one, if neither type of woods is on sale, then domestic rose is. So if domestic rose is not on sale, this will lead me to that either type of woods is on sale. And lastly, if either type of niche is on sale, then no Hydra is. So this can be looked at as if either type of Hydra is on sale, no niche is on the sale. Now it's not necessary that we have to write these statements while solving this question, but you need to have an understanding that if A then B is not given to you, then you can always use if not B then not A. definitely holds at that particular place. Let's see what kind of questions were given with this problem and how to approach them. Now the first question was, which one of the following could be a complete and accurate list of the types of perfume that were on the sale? Now we know from the first condition itself that export rose was on sale. We can see export rose in all the combinations or on all the options. Now we know there's only going to be one correct answer here. That means 3 of the options are wrong, and we'll look at in whether in any of the option, if any of the condition is being violated. Now when we look at option B, okay. Now look at condition number 5. If either type of niche is on sale, then no hydra is. That means niche and hydra cannot exist together, which I am seeing in option number B, that niche and hydra are being present there. That means this cannot be my answer. Now looking at condition number 3. If both type of woods are on sale, then no niche is. In option C, I can see both type of woods being there, and I am also seeing the domestic niche being there. This is a contradiction of condition 3, so even this cannot be possible. Now we are left with option A and D. Now okay, let's have a look at condition number 4. Condition number 4 says, if neither type of woods is on sale, then domestic rose is. That means if my list of the perfumes does not include any type or any variant of the perfume woods, then definitely that creates the space for the domestic rose. In option A, I can see it has export proposal, export rose, domestic niche and export niche. So both the types of woods are missing. So that means the combination should have domestic rose, which it is not having. So option A is also ruled out, marking our option D as the right answer. Second question. If domestic hydra is not on sale, then which of the following must be true? Now let's look at conditions where hydra has been mentioned. So we can see hydra coming into picture in condition number 2 and condition number 5. Condition number 2 says, if both type of roses are on sale, then all hydra is. Whereas in our question, we have been told that domestic hydra is not on the sale. That means this condition of all hydra being on sale is not being fulfilled. Okay. Now let's move back to where we discussed. If all hydra is not on sale, both roses are not on sale. Using that here, if domestic hydra is not on sale, so we don't have not all hydra. This will lead us to that we don't have both type of roses. We only would have one type of rose perfume. So I think we have the direct answer here, that at least one type of rose is not on sale. The answer to this question is directly coming from the condition 2. The third question in this puzzle was, if both type of woods are on sale, then which of the following is the minimum number of types of domestic perfume that could be included in the sale? Now what this question is saying, that we have both type of woods. When we say both type of woods, we essentially mean that I already have included domestic variant of woods. So I have domestic woods. I also have export woods. So I've already included one variety of domestic perfume. Question was, then which one of the following is the minimum number? Look at the what has been asked here? The minimum number. Simple, the minimum number has to be 1 because we have already included 1 the moment we have said that we are having both type of woods. Domestic woods is already there, so minimum number is 1. Simple. Next question. Which of the following cannot be true? Now here, the first option talks about neither type of woods and neither type of proposal is on sale. As you can see, except for the first condition, nothing has been mentioned about proposal anywhere. Only thing that has been talked about proposal is that the domestic proposal is not on the sale. Nowhere we have spoken about proposal in the entire conditions. So we cannot talk about woods and proposal here. Let's look at option B, which says if neither type of, option B was neither type of woods and neither type of hydra is on sale. So neither type of woods has been mentioned in condition 4, which says that if neither type of woods is on sale, then domestic rose is. So if I assume that I have not taken any type of woods, so if I have taken neither type of woods, that means my list of perfume that can be sold should have domestic rose. This is coming straight from condition 4. Now, if I have domestic rose, I already have export rose because it's been given as the, as a definite condition that export rose is there on the sale. So now I have both the roses on the sale. Now let's look at condition number 2. If both types of rose are on sale, then all hydra is. I have got domestic rose with me, export rose was already there. So I am satisfying this part of the second condition that both type of rose are on sale, leading me to that all hydra would be on sale. That means option B cannot be true. Neither type of woods and neither type of hydra is on sale. That is not true. If I am ensuring that none of the type of woods is on sale, then all type of hydra would be on sale. So this particular conclusion or this particular situation can never be true. Now in this question, it's been given to us, if neither type of woods is on sale, then each of the following must be true except. That means out of 4 given options, 3 would be valid. 3 would be holding true in all the conditions. One particular thing cannot happen. Now, again starting from condition 4, that if neither type of woods is on sale, that will lead us to that domestic rose is on sale. Now, if domestic rose is on sale, with second condition, if both types of rose are on sale, then all hydra is. So this will lead me to that domestic hydra is also on sale and also export hydra is on sale. So this can be true. This is true and this is true. Now we have to check between option C and D. Have a look at condition number 5, which says, now we have the last condition as if either type of niche is on sale, then no hydra is. The negation of this was that if either type of hydra is on sale, this will lead us to that no niche is on the sale. And here we have seen earlier that domestic hydra and export hydra are there on the sale. That means domestic niche cannot be on the sale. Even this will be true. So our right answer here is that export proposal is not on sale. This can never be true. The other 3 would be holding true given the condition that neither type of woods is on sale. Now these kind of condition based questions are appearing in ALET every year, and they are coming it with a bunch of 6 to 7 questions. I feel that you need to have sufficient practice on these kind of questions, which are called condition questions, and you need to have essential clarity as to what could be the implication of each condition that has been specified in the as we have seen in the forward direction as well as in the reverse direction. So couple of while solving couple of these questions, we have also used the reversed reverse conclusion or reverse inference of that particular uh, statement that has been given to us. Okay, so I hope now you have some clarity as to how to approach these questions. Do let me know if there are more doubts you're having from ALET previous year papers, because puzzles is something probably you need to solve it and show it. So let me know if you have any doubts. You can send it to me. So thank you, thanks a lot, bye bye.